Hello everybody, my activity is my daily routine. Every day in the morning I get up early, I open the curtains to see the weather of the day. I make my bed, I take a shower, and go to the kitchen and I cook my breakfast. I like to have healthy breakfast. After eating, I log my lunch and I check my cell phone, my messages, my mails. Sometimes I watch television or I like to listen to music. I choose clothes to go to work, I comb my hair, I do a quick makeup, and I pack my lunch. I go outside to look for transportation service to go to work, and that is my daily routine every morning. My activity in the afternoon is working. I lunch at 1 o'clock and I finish my work at 6 o'clock. In evening, I arrive at my house around 7 o'clock. I cook my dinner. Sometimes I like to read every book. I check my cell phone. I turn on my computer to work at the university. And I call my mom before going to sleep.